way he goes on 30. Yeah, we're going to see some more of the same time, so. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I'm done yet. Anything goes to the west.
Let's take it. Stagecoach. Highway 5 headed westbound. Great on Dodge Charger.
Roger Bay at 263 for Adam 43, 237.
Texas, Victor 48, 640. That's basically.
Speed at 100.
91 was coming up on baseline.
Still continue west on baseline.
Continuing west on baseline.
Northwest lane of Brian.
Good boy, 65.
How close are you to 30?
Still continue west.
Continuing west about 90 miles per hour.
43, that's the dead end at baseline.
Back around. Headed back.
Turn back around to the exit. Black guy. Speed still 120, headed east towards Highway 5. Coming up on Highway 5, trying to brake check. Route 53.
second, I'll call it.
Put your fucking hands up! We got a TV out. We're doing a takedown. Don't you fucking move! Did I say move? Ready? Yep. Okay. Driver, step out. Face away. Face away. No, hey, get up! Get up! Walk back! Walk back! Keep walking back! Keep walking back! Keep walking back! Keep walking back! Stop! Go to your fucking knees! Don't you fucking move down there, you hear me? Hey, we're gonna have roar call. Passenger, climb out of the driver's side. Climb out the driver's side. Hands up. Hands up. Climb out of the driver's side. Climb out. Climb out. The driver's side. Hands up. Hands up. Stop. Face away from me. Keep your hands up. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Walk backwards. Stop. Get down to your knees. Hands up. I got fucking good. Yep. I got it. It looks clear. We're clear. Go ahead. Tuck your knees. Tuck your knees. To your chest. To your chest. Get up. What'd you do? You pissed yourself?
Huh?
Did you piss yourself?
They're fucking on my leg.
Bend your knees.
What is it?
On my feet or something.
How much you to drink? You don't drink? Well, you smell like beer. Is that the restaurant? Yeah. You just hear how dumb that sounds? You got a license?
Yeah.
You do? Valid one? Valid? Well, obviously you know you're under arrest.
Yeah.
For felony fleeing. Right now you're going to come over here. Let's see. I got confused when he said west. So I was like, let's get the face. Yep, go get him. Hey, he's cutting them off too. Hey, Jacob. He stopped right here and he blanked out. didn't see the make, but it was a medium-sized red pickup of some kind, maybe maroon. Yeah, you should see him. He was swerving in and out. He's trying to get away. Good job, dude. You okay?
There ain't gonna have enough with him. When he started going on,
he was going south on Highway 5. South on Highway 5, heading towards Otter Creek.
when he started going head on into traffic, I was like, nah, I'm done.
Yeah, I got a little confused on you. You were like west on baseline, and it made me sit there and think for a second. That's why I said, how close are you 30? I was literally taking the baseline exit. I thought I was about to cut y'all off. But I did cut you off right here.
Yeah, I saw it. When you said that, I was like, oh. I said,
yeah. Get a little spinning pin, dude.
If you don't see him, let's go down on the street now. You want to keep going that Stagecoach?
Actually, like 120.
Just continue on
Almost out of the road, blocked out.
Yeah, I don't know what that guy was doing. Here's the park right here. Hey, you know somebody in a red pickup truck?
You said what happened?
Huh?
What happened?
You know somebody in a red pickup truck? No? You don't? Okay. Well, if you do, it sounds like he's probably about to go to jail too.
I did not see it on that street.
Hey, 91 to 87, he was moving pretty good whenever he stopped right here and then took off. So he could have kept going down 5. Hey, Ramsey, he's probably going to be 10.5 or one of the, I know he is. Yeah, he's growing. What's your name?
Zachary Flores.
Zachary? Flores? Okay, Zach, take a big deep breath, blow real hard. Okay. Ramsey, 0.02 on the driver. 0.02 on the driver.
How old is he?
Yeah, that's another thing I haven't gotten to.
He's done.
I was seeing if you had a
Tag.
or what?
That's why they do 23, 24.
Oh, or under 21. How old are you? 20. 20? DUI. Yeah, that's him. But he said he was 20. If you haven't already, we started at 10:11. What? Yeah, when it's safe to do so, you're good. Here you go. Did it pop?
Isn't that him? Turning around.
Well, yeah.